right, listen, if you're running a business, agency, coaching program, e-com store, or any type of online business or offer, you're probably juggling a dozen different tools, paying a fortune every month, and wasting half your time just trying to keep everything working with each other together in harmony. I'm going to show you a single platform that replaces all of that, saves you hours every week, and can actually help you make more money. It's called GoHighLevel, and I've got a free 14-day trial for you in the link at the top of the description directly below. Click that link, and while you're watching, so you don't forget, it's the first one in the description, and right under it, I've got 20 plus free AI marketing tools waiting for you. Trust me, you're going to want those too. Think about it. Website builder, check. Funnel builder, check. This is GoHighLevel, what you're looking at right now. So you got a website builder, check. Funnel builder, check. Email marketing, done. SMS marketing, yep. CRM, to track all your leads and clients, it's built in. Automation workflows that handle things while you sleep, oh yeah. This isn't another add-on tool. It's your whole tech stack in one place. If you're an agency owner, a coach, a course creator, or even a local business, GoHighLevel was made to help you run everything without duct taping 6 different logins or tools together. Instead of being disorganized and having everything all over the place, you're going to have everything in one convenient tool, which is GoHighLevel. Now, what I'm going to show you here, this is straight from their site, and if you look closely, every feature they show here is replacing something you're probably already paying for. Websites, funnels, calendars, forms, memberships, automations. Like I said, it's all under one roof, and because it's white label ready, I'll say that again, it's white label ready. Agencies can even brand it as their own platform and resell it. So with that being said, let me go up here. I'm going to play this 1-minute video so you can get a better feel of what GoHighLevel can do for you and your business. But here we go here.
Nurture and close leads like never before. In HighLevel, you'll find features like a full CRM, funnel, website, course, marketing automations and email builders, a consolidated email, SMS, WhatsApp, and social chat stream, reputation management, social media posting, and so much more. And the best part is, HighLevel is fully white labeled, which means you can brand the platform and mobile app with your logo and company colors, then resell it to your customers for a monthly subscription that goes straight into your agency's bank account. The powerful combination of software plus your service and expertise will drive your customers' retention and your profits through the stratosphere. Sign up for a 14-day free trial today.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was like a minute long. Gave you a brief rundown of HighLevel. I'm going to take you through more of it right now. Everything is connected, as you can see from the video here. When a lead opts in on your page, they go straight into your CRM, trigger your automation, get added to your email and SMS campaigns, all without Zapier or extra subscriptions. It's less stressful. And like I said, everything's in one place. You're not going to have everything all over the place. You're going to be more organized. And, you're going to know where everything's at and ultimately make more money with your business. Follow-up automation that works. Most businesses lose money because they don't follow up fast enough. GoHighLevel can text, email, and even drop a voicemail automatically, seconds after someone opts in. Replaces $1,000 plus a month in software. Think products like Clickfunnels, Calendly, ActiveCampaign, Lead Pages, Podia. You could be using all of those right now. GoHighLevel wraps them up into one tool for a fraction of the price, saving you a lot of money so you can reinvest that money back into your business. It's built for growth. Whether you're managing one business or 50 clients, you can scale without adding chaos. Now here's the deal. If you grab your free trial through my link below, like I said, it's going to be directly below in the video description box. You're also going to get instant access to my 20 plus free AI marketing tools. Second link directly below. These aren't normal marketing tools. I got ChatGPT prompt generator. I've got a video script generator, a sales script generator, an email storytelling software. The list goes on and on. There's over 20 of them, and they're going to be all free for you as well on the link directly below. The Go High Level 14-day trial link, which I'll leave below as well. So you're going to get all these where you can create ads, you can create copy, you can automate your content, you can create videos. It helps you with the prompts for your videos, create thumbnails. Like I said, all these tools each does a different thing, and they do it well, and there's over 20 of them so you can use for your own business. And if you're tired of wasting time, if you're tired of duct taping your business together, and you actually want to run things like a pro, this is a platform, Go High Level, that can do it. Like I said, I've got that link for the 2-week trial. You can try out below, see how you like it, and go from there. I guarantee you're going to like it. It's going to save you a lot of time. And don't forget to grab the AI tools. And like I said, quit overpaying for all 6 to 10 different tools when you can switch to one that does it all. It's a smart move, and it's the best move for you and your business. These are all the awards it won right here, as you can see. Over 2 million businesses powered by Go High Level. 1.37 billion monthly messages, monthly leads, 194 million, 19 million monthly conversations. Huge community. And this is everything you get here. Capture new leads, nurture leads into customers, fully automated booking, create membership areas, close more deals, grow your business with all the tools you need in one platform, and you also get your own white labeling platform out of the box. The platform allows you to white label the desktop application. Your clients will see your brand down to the URL. And it tells you can sell it to your customers, sell at your own price, additional revenue source, award-winning support, and this is comparing Go High Level to other tools that are on the market. And there you go. So I'm going to end this video right here. Yeah, check out Go High Level. It's awesome. It's going to automate your marketing more. It's going to save you a ton of money. You're not going to be paying for a bunch of overpriced tools. You're going to be paying for one tool, one complete suite that does everything all under one roof. It's going to get you more organized, get you more profitable, and get you less stressed out in the end. So like I said, links directly below. Try it out for free, 2-week free trial. Second link is going to be the link to my 20 free AI marketing tools right underneath it. So go check those out right now, and let me know what you think about Go High Level. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you got any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.